Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, St. John, local and long distance movers near me. A long distance move will take you more than 50 miles from your present position. We specialize in long distance relocations and we are specialists in our field. We also make an effort to help organize their things. We segregate fragile things from heavy objects and ensure that each item safely gets to its new place. Before they manage a relocation, our managers go through extensive training with experts. They handle your things with care and are well informed. They're well versed in all driving regulations and adhere to them. Our moving vehicles are modern and roomy, and we also have the necessary authorization to transport items across great distances. Trust us when we provide a dependable and professional long distance moving service. It's no secret that relocations are complicated. Whether you're moving next door, many individuals have trouble moving within 50 miles of the current area. You may relax knowing that professionals are in charge of the relocation. To begin with, we have substantial insurance coverage in place to cover any risk that may arise during local relocations, and we also know the way about the city and can transport your things to your new location quickly. In addition, our hourly prices are cheap. We charge between $30 and $40 for our services. In addition to local and long distance moving, our St. John moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.